Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to use ChatGPT by OpenAI for beginners. To do this, first of all, open any browser and search for ChatGPT and open chatgpt.openai.com. Then this page will be opened. Here, you can ask whatever question on the search bar, which is on the down of your middle page. Click on that and type whatever question you like, and then press enter, and your solution will be get in a few seconds. There you go. You can also ask ChatGPT to write an essay or any other type of activities like email or anything you want. It is a very useful application for children too, to solve their homework or to do research. So you can also delete your previous search history by clicking on the three dots and click on the delete chat and press delete. So this is very useful application and very easy to use for beginners too. Thank you for watching this video.